Hey, what's up everybody? This is Mon. Today I'm going to play rookie mechanic, changing oil in my 2010 Toyota Camry. I've never changed the oil on my own before in this car, so I'm going to do it for the first time. I've had this car for 11 years. I'm going to show you step by step on how I do it. Thanks for watching. So for a successful oil change, you're going to need some new oil, also oil filter, oil pan, a funnel, and a wrench. Oh no! To remove the oil canister. You will also need a jack and a jack stand. That's it. So first off, I'm gonna have to jack the car up. So I'm gonna leave the jack there, and also I've secured the jack stand right here just for safety. The oil drain is on the right side part of the car, and the nut is right there, and also the filter is right here. So I'm gonna have to first drain the oil, replace the filter, and fill the oil back up. Loosen up the nut. Nice and dark. You know what? I'm going to lower down the jack so that the oil completely drains out. Or let that be. Alright. Drip, drip, drip. I'm going to jack the car back up then. And now it's time to screw this thing back in so I can move the oil pan to underneath the filter. Okay. That's good. Just not enough. Now it's time to work on the filter. There we go. Now I can turn with my fingers. Hopefully the oil won't drip out too much. There we go. So the oil filter comes with I guess the drain tool. So this looks like it should just snap in to that opening to drain the remaining oil in the canister. We'll see if this works. Okay. I have this thing underneath. So here we go. Yep, there we go. Oops. Oh, that's... I have to fish that from the dirty oil. Yuck. Yeah. Rookie mistake. Should have kept my finger on it. Oh man, what a mess. Almost done, I think. Yeah, that's good. Alright, now that I have all the oil drained out, from the filter, it's time to remove the cap. Filter cap. Okay, I've never used this thing before, so we're gonna learn this together. Oh no! I guess true to rookie form, this thing didn't work at all, so I had to run to the store and grab this kind of I don't know, wrench. I don't know what it's called, but we'll see if this works better. Oh yeah, this fits snugly. Wow, this is not easy. Should have Bruce Lee power here. Okay, it's moving. Oh. Okay, I need a rest. Oh, it's getting darker and darker. It's been more than an hour already that I've spent on this project. That's okay. I'm saving money. That's the objective of the game. Oh yeah. Wah. There we go. All right. Success. Woo! And this is the new filter. And this is the old filter. All dark and all clean. The filter comes with 2 O-rings, I think. Yep. The little one and the big one. The big one goes around the canister, and the little one goes into this little nut part. Oh, right here. So I'm gonna take off the old O-ring right there and put the new one on. Here we go. I'm gonna remove the filter first. Probably easier to put this on. Here we go. That's it. And then I guess take a dab of oil and lubricate around the new part so it won't bind when I screw that back in. There we go. And put the filter back on. That's it. That's it. Whoa, that was close. All right. Now it's time to put that other O-ring in and close it up. Right in there and turn. Okay. I think that's it. All right. So the hard part is done. Now comes the easy part. Fill the oil. Well, I'm told that this car takes 5 quarts, so I'm going to put in 4 first, and then take a look at the dipstick. Actually, what? I'm going to use a funnel anyways. Makes it easier to pour. Alright, that's 4. Actually 4. Okay, I think I'm gonna lower the jack, run the engine, and then recheck the oil level. If you like this video, please don't forget to like. If you have any comments, please write them down below, and please subscribe. I would appreciate it. Thanks for watching. The last remaining task is to reset the maintenance light. So I gotta turn the car on and change this odometer setting to trip A, and then turn it off. I'm gonna hold down the odometer reset button while I turn on the ignition, and then that should reset the maintenance light. We'll see. There we go. Maintenance record's gone. Once again, thanks for watching. Beautiful.
What